requested. Is equal to M over M concentration. Formula concentration is concentration is equal to number of moles over a volume. And it has to be like that. Don't need to do
Third prime kg
what you add could add banjan are inversely proportional. Oh, show what you have to decrease along isolated so increase. As of when the length represent a banjan for weak R no V, they are directly proportional. So when this one increase, this one will also increase. Bese ukuthi lona le invest. Ngesikhathi lona increase and also result uzobe decrease. Sizobhekana ne-relationship. Again, sobheka yini? Cabanga umnandi balento esiyenza manje ukuthi ikhambu uphepa 1 ikhambu uphepa 2. Ela ukusiyobhala. And bakatala ngikhuluma ngithi manje moya kwathi ukuthi kanti angifuni ukukhuluma ngithi hey say kodwa engikwazi kahle ukuthi manje sesenze iphepha lonke manje sewenzisa ithi asibuku 1 no 2 kanye kanye ithi lento lena kodwa understand bawungabasta kahle amagraph nani relationship i-relationship with using ama-lines mawuthi ama-lines izokwenzeka into ibe ku-same noma ibe njani ibe ku-different line. Athi sitshontshe ngale question uma uno-R olingana no-V over R uyabona ukuthi u-R no-V bakusekulana yethu kusho ukuthini okukhathi kusho ukuthi u-R ukudala i-proportional to u-V kusho ukuthi benze into efanayo. If this one decreases this one will also however u-R wenza into ephambene no-R why baku-different line ngesikhathi omunye la omunye u-line 2 sho ukuthi lona uma idecrease uthi no hayi mina ngisupport uzokwenza njani ungayijweba igraph represent yona uma ukuthi nambe ngathi ngisela